Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Explain Maths. Now in this video I will be solving the remaining questions of exercise 10.1. So today I will solve question number 3 to question number 7 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. Now this is the example question, find the value of 2 by 3 whole minus 2. So to solve this question I am going to use the law A by B whole m. This we used to write as a to the power m divided by b to the power m, right? So I'm going to use that law. So it will become 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 3 to the power minus 2. Now further I am rewriting it as 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 3 to the power minus 2. And again I am going to use the law a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. So from here I can write it will be 1 by 2 square divided by 1 by 3 square, right? Now 1 by 2 square division I am changing to multiplication. So it will become 3 square by 1. You have to write the reciprocal of 1 by 3 square. So it became 3 square by 2 square. Okay. So my value will be 9 by 4. So I have solved this question to show you there is one more law which tells that if a by b whole minus m is there, that you can write directly as b by a whole m. So if I see my previous example, it is 2 by 3 whole minus 2. So that I can directly write as 2 by 3 whole minus 2. See here a by b became b by a. You have to write the reciprocal of it. So reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2 and this negative power changes into the positive one. So it will become square. So this further you can write as 3 square by 2 square. Now and if you see the above explanation here also I got that value only, right? So from here I can write this is equal to 9 by 4. So this is your one of the law. Now I am going to use this law to solve one more question. Now here you have to simplify the given exponent. So here it is 1 by 3 whole minus 2 minus 1 by 2 whole minus 3 and then further it is divided by 1 by 4 whole minus 2. So now I am going to use the same law, the law which tells that a by b whole minus m, you can write it as b by a whole m, isn't it? So 1 by 3 whole minus 2, what is the reciprocal of 1 by 3? It is 3 by 1, means it is 3 only, and negative power will become positive, so minus 2 will become 2, then minus 1 by 2 reciprocal of that is 2 whole cube, and same way divided by 1 by 4 whole minus 2. Again there is a negative power, so reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4, so it will become 4 square. Now we are going to solve it. So 3 square is 9, 2 cube is 8, that divided by 4 square which is 16, and 9 minus 8 is 1. So 1 divided by 16, you will get your answer as 1 by 16. So remember this law because when I will solve the exercise question, I am going to use it. Okay. So now I am going to start solving the questions from exercise 10.1. So question number 3, find the value of, and this is your first question. So first of all, you have to see what law you are going to use here. So first is 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1, and this is multiplied with 2 square. So first time we'll use the law a to the power 0 is equal to 1, isn't it? Any non-zero rational number to the power 0 is 1. So that I will use. And another law which I will use is a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. Okay. So let's use these laws. So 3 to the power 0 will become 1 and 4 to the power minus 1 will become 1 by 4. This multiplied by 2 square. Now if you take the LCM, so it will become 5 by 4 into 2 square. Now 4 I can further write as 2 square. Here also multiplied by 2 square. So again I am going to use the law a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So here I will use 5 into 2 to the power 2 minus 2, which will give me 5 into 2 to the power 0. So the value will be 5 into 1, which will give me 5. So here I have again used the law a to the power 0 equal to 1. So this is your first question. Now moving to the second question. Second question is 2 to the power minus 1 into 4 to the power minus 1. This whole is divided by 2 to the power minus 2. Now here I am going to use the law a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. So 2 to the power minus m will become 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, and this is divided by 1 by 2 square. Now next I can write 1 by 2 into 4 I can write as 2 square. This divided by 1 by 2 square. And this further I can write 1 by 2 cube, because in the base here power is 1, here is 2. So the power will get added. So 1 by 2 cube divided by 1 by 2 square. Now next what I can do here is I will write 1 by 2 cube. Now division I am changing to multiplications. It will become reciprocal of 1 by 2 square, which is 2 square. Now next we have one more law. If a to the power m is divided by a to the power m, so it will be 1 by a to the power m minus n if the power in the numerator is smaller than the power in the denominator. So from here I will write 1 by 2 to the power 3 minus 2. So this will give my answer as 1 by 2, because you see in the numerator the power is 2 here, and in the denominator power is 3. So 2 is smaller than 3. So I am going to use the law 1 by a to the power m minus n. Now third question, 1 by 2 whole minus 2 plus 1 by 3 whole minus 2 plus 1 by 4 whole minus 2. So here just now I have explained one more new law. I am going to use that, and the law says that if it is a by b whole minus m, so you can write it as b by a whole m. So from here I can write reciprocal of 1 by 2 will be 2. So it will be 2 square. Reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3. So it is 3 square and 4 square. So 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and 4 square is 16. And if you are going to add it, you will get the answer as 29, because 4 plus 16 is 20 and 20 plus 9 is 29. Now fourth question. Here it is 3 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 whole to the power 0. So first of all you have to use the law a to the power minus m. This will give the value as 1 by a to the power m. So I can write it as 3 to the power minus 1 as 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 whole to the power 0. Now you know that any non-zero rational number to the power 0 is the value is 1. So directly you can write the value will be 1 here. So hope it will be clear. If you still have a doubt, you can write in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now this is fifth question of question number 3. So here the question is minus 2 by 3 whole minus 2 whole square. So here the law which I am going to use first is a by b whole minus m is equal to b by a whole m. So from here I can write reciprocal of minus 2 by 3 is minus 3 by 2 whole. Minus 2 is negative exponent, it will become positive, so square, and then again whole square. Now the next law which I will use will be power law. So a to the power m whole n is equal to a to the power mn. So from there here I will write minus 3 by 2 whole 2 into 2, which will give me 4. Now next law will be a by b whole m is equal to a to the power m divided by b to the power m. So here I can write minus 3 whole 4 divided by 2 to the power 4. And as you can see the power is even number, so the negative will become positive. So minus 3 whole 4, it will give answer as 81, and 2 to the power 4 is 16. So it is very important for these questions to write the laws. Okay, see if you can see here when I was solving for each step I have written what law I have used. The same way you have to also follow and make a practice. Okay, now moving to the next question. Question number 4. 8 to the power minus 1 into 5 cube divided by 2 to the power minus 4. Now here, first of all, I am going to write my 8 as 2 cube. Okay, whole minus 1 into 5 cube divided by 2 to the power minus 4. Now 2 cube whole minus 1, I can use my power law. So it will a to the power m whole n is equal to a to the power mn, right? So 2 to the power 3 into minus 1 will give me minus 3 into 5 cube divided by 2 to the power minus 4. Now if you see here, in the numerator and denominator, base is 2, isn't it? Base is 2 and power is minus 3 and here is minus 4. And minus 3 is greater than minus 4. So again I am going to use here my division law. So the division law is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n when if m is greater than n. So here I will use 2 to the power minus 3 minus, you have to do subtraction, right, because it is division law, and the second exponent is minus 4. So you have to write minus 4 in the bracket into 5 cube. So let's solve it. 2 to the power minus 3 plus 4 into 5 cube. And minus 3 plus 4 means it will give the power of 1. So it will remain 2 only. So 2 into 5 cube. So 2 into 5 cube is 125, and if you multiply you will get 250. Okay, now moving to the second part of the question. 5 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 into 6 to the power minus 1. So all are having the negative exponent. So I am going to use the law as a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. So here 5 to the power minus 1 will become 1 by 5, 2 to the power minus 1 will become 1 by 2, and 6 to the power minus 1 will become 1 by 6. And now multiply it. So 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 6 is 60. So it is 1 by 60. Now question number 5. Find the value of m for which 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. So for such question, you have to see the left hand side. If you see the left hand side, you can see that base is same, isn't it, 5? And in the right hand side also base is 5, isn't it? So base is same in the left hand side also, right hand side also. And in the left hand side, if you can see, there is a division, okay? And base is same, so I am going to use the division law. So what it will become? 5 to the power m minus of minus 3, which will be equal to 5 to the power 5. Now further I can write it as 5 to the power m plus 3 equal to 5 to the power 5. Now since LHS and RHS is having the same base, isn't it? So the power will also be same. So we can write when base is same, exponents will also be same. So from here I can write m plus 3 will be equal to 5 because base is 5 here, 5 here. Base is same, their power will also be same. Now the value of m will be transpose 3 to the other side. It will be 5 minus 3. So you'll get the value of m as 2. So the value of m is 2 here. Okay. Okay, now moving to question number 6. First part is 1 by 3 whole minus 1 minus of 1 by 4 whole minus 1 and whole again minus 1 is there. So I am going to use the law here as a by b minus whole minus m is equal to b by a whole m. Okay, so 1 by 3 whole minus 1 reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3. So it will become 3 to the power 1, which I can write as 3 only, minus 1 by 4 reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 and the power will become 1. So I can write it as 4 only, and whole again there is a power of minus 1. Now 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So minus 1 whole to the power minus 1. So I can write a to the power minus m equal to 1 by a to the power m. So I will write it as 1 by minus 1. Okay, and 1 by minus 1 is minus 1 only. So now moving to the next part. here it is 5 by 8 whole minus 7 multiplied by 8 by 5 whole minus 4. Now if you see here, in the first one, it is 5 by 8. Second one, it is 8 by 5. And 8 by 5 is nothing but the reciprocal of 5 by 8, right? So here I am going to use that law a by b whole minus m equal to b by a whole m only in the first part. Because if I change only in the first part, my base will become same for both, isn't it? So what I am telling, I am going to use the law a by b whole minus m. This will give me b by a whole m. So from here, if I will write for 5 by 8, reciprocal is 8 by 5 whole 7 multiply by 8 by 5 whole minus 4. Now you can see my base became same. So I can use my product law, a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. So from here I can write 8 by 5 whole 7 plus minus 4. And what is 7 plus minus 4? 7 plus minus 4 is 3. So from here you will get 8 cube by 5 cube. So again I have used the law a by b whole m is equal to a to the power m divided by b to the power m. And 8 cube is 512 and 5 cube is 125. Okay. So question number 7. Simplify 25 into t to the power minus 4 divided by 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into t to the power minus 8. Now in such question, first of all what I will do, I will represent all my composite number in terms of the factor of the prime numbers. Okay. So now 25 I can write here as 5 square into t to the power minus 4 by 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 I can write as 2 into 5 into t to the power minus 8. And now I am going to use the law. So if you see here, t to the power minus 4 and t to the power minus 8. So base is same in numerator and denominator, and minus 4 is greater than minus 8. So I can use here division law, and parallelly I can use the product law in the denominator as 5 to the power minus 3 is here and 5 is here. Okay. So I am going to use two laws in the next statement. First, I will use the division law, which tells that a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n, where m is greater than n. Another law which I will use is the product law, a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. So from here I can write 5 square into t to the power minus 4 minus of minus 8 divided by 5 to the power minus 3 plus 1 into 2. So what it will become? 5 square into t to the power minus 4 minus and minus plus. So minus 4 plus 8 will give me 4. And in the denominator minus 3 plus 1 will give me minus 2 into 2. Now again I can use the division law because in the numerator and denominator my base is same, which is 5. So a to the power divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n, and here also you can see numerator power is greater than the denominator. So again I can write 5 to the power 2 minus of minus 2 into t to the power 4 divided by 2, and 5 to the power 2 minus of minus 2, so it will become plus. So 5 to the power 4 by 2 times t to the power 4, and 5 to the power 4 means 625 by 2 t to the power 4. So this is the answer for the first part. Now moving to the second part. So here it is given 3 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 125 by 5 to the power minus 7 into 6 to the power minus 5. So again here also wherever is the composite number, I am going to write that in terms of their prime factor. So here my composite number is 10, 125 and 6. So let's write it. So I can write it as 3 to the power minus 5 into 2 into 5 whole minus 5 into 5 cube divided by 5 to the power minus 7 into 2 into 3 whole minus 5. Okay. Now I am going to use the law if a into b whole n. So this I can write as a to the power n into b to the power n. So I am going to split here. So 3 to the power minus 5 into 2 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power cube divided by 5 to the power minus 7 into 2 to the power minus 5 into 3 to the power minus 5. So now here I am going to use the law. If you see here 3 to the power minus 5 is in the numerator also, denominator also. So here I can use my division law. In the numerator 5 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power cube. Here I can use my product law. So next step I am going to use my division law as well as my product law. So a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. And second one a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. So if I am going to solve it, 3 to the power minus 5 minus of minus 5 into 2 to the power minus 5 again minus of minus 5 and into 5 to the power minus 5 plus 3. So in the denominator now I am left with only 5 to the power minus 7 and 3 to the power minus 5 and then minus of minus 5 it will become plus 5. So 3 to the power minus 5 plus 5 will become 0. Same way 2 to the power minus 5 minus of minus 5 this will also become 0 into 5 to the power minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 divided by 5 to the power minus 7. Now one more time I am going to use my division law here. So what it will become? A to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n, and here m is greater than n. So it will be 3 to the power 0 into 2 to the power 0, they will become 1. So 1 into 5 to the power minus 2 minus of minus 7. So what it will become? Minus 2 plus 7. So this will give me answer as 5 to the power 5. So as in the question it is just telling simplify. So you can give answer 5 to the power 5 or you can give the value also which is 3125. Okay. So in these type of question your first step is very important. You have to write all the composite number in terms of their product of the prime factors. Okay, then you have to use all the laws, and mostly in such type of question you are using your division law and product law only. Okay, so step by step if you will do it will become very easy, and don't get scared by seeing that okay such a big question is there, how we will do it. You have to proceed step by step slowly and definitely will able to solve it properly. Okay. Now again I have taken one example question where it is given express 4 to the power minus 3 as a power with the base 2. So here you see the base is 4 but you have to write as base as 2. So first of all you see 4, can I write 4 as a base of 2? So yes, we can write 4 can be written as 2 into 2, isn't it? And 2 into 2 is 2 square, right? So 4 to the power minus 3, what I can do, in place of 4, I will write 2 square whole minus 3. Okay. And then I'm going to use my power law which says that a to the power m whole n is equal to a to the power mn, right? So from there I can write 2 to the power 2 into minus 3 which will give me 2 to the power minus 6. So my now, if you see my final answer, here my base is 2. So this is your answer. So that's all for today's class. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt in any particular question or if you want me to solve some question from R.S. Agrawal, please write to me in the comment box and surely in my next video I will cover that question. Okay. Thank you.